Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up if you can hear me. And yes, I know after a big gap of holidays, you all are back and you all must be very much excited what new we are going to learn. No? And let me tell you that this time, so many things we have in our syllabus. In that, we are going to learn poster makings, we are going to learn impression art, we are going to learn doodle art, we are going to learn coffee painting, we are going to learn watercolors, we are going to learn birds, we are going to learn animals, we are going to learn landscapes, what not. So many things are there. And poster makings also, okay, because this is also the part of our syllabus. But today, acha, I'm giving you some hints, okay? Let me check because the students are still joining and still we have time because sharp 5, I will start my class. And this is, yes, 5 is already. Yeah, baby is all right. I'm getting messages. How's the baby? Baby is all right. Thank you so much for your concern. And students, today I'm giving you hints. Okay, you try to reveal that what we are going to learn today. Say today is 9, okay? And 11, we will be celebrating that festival. Come on, guys. Today we are going to learn the drawing of a great festival which we celebrate all over India. Okay? Yeah, this is A4 size sheet. Acha, I'm giving you one more hint. On this festival, we worship girls. We worship girls. Yes? Yes. Any guesses? Come on. Navratri, correct answer. Devi Durga. Okay, and all girls, they're considered as Devi. Hai na? So, we worship them during Navratri. This is such lovely trend of Indian culture. So today I'm going to teach you drawing of Devi Durga. You must be thinking, Devi Durga, my God, I'm so young. I'm junior. How will I be able to make? But you will be amazed to know using letters and numbers, we will learn this complete festival drawing of Navratri, that is Devi Durga. Okay? So without delay, let's get started. And don't worry, we have a great stock of things we are going to learn. Okay? After learning these two main festivals we have this month, one is Baisakhi, okay, there is Lohri, and second is Navratri. So we will be learning two festivals, then we will come on poster makings, then impression art, then coffee painting, and yeah, pencil shedding also. So these all things you are going to learn, okay? So before starting, I want to see your great thumbs up with great smile. Come on, all of you, show me. I want to see that energy. So let's start our work with a great smile. Come on, badi wali smile. Not a formal, badi wali smile. Yes, full of energy. Yes, very good. And see, this is the rule of our class that whenever I ask students to show their thumbs up, they just show thumbs up with smile. Okay? Because why we give smile while showing thumbs up? Because whatever work you are doing, whatever, okay, whether it is your homework, your studies, your dance classes, your music classes, when you do that work with joy, with smile, what happened? The same thing start imbibing in your work. Okay? So do all the works with lots of joy. So without delay, let's get started. Okay? So today you will be learning how to draw Devi Durga. Okay? Devi Durga. And for making this Devi Durga's drawing, we are going to use numbers and letters. Okay? So first of all, you'll be keeping your drawings. This is A4 size paper. Okay? A4 size. So first of all, you'll be keeping your file in standing position. Okay? Vertically. So keep your file in standing position, all of you. Okay? Not in sleeping. You will not do it this way. You will keep it in standing position. Okay? Now, one more thing is required, that is a big bangle. If you don't have big bangle, you can take a cap or you can take the base of your water bottle. We want a circle. Okay, this much big. So let's get started. Okay, chalo, let's get started. So keep your file in standing position. Okay, I can do one thing. I can just shift my paper over here. And draw a circle here. Okay, this is the center, but I don't want it in center. I will shift it upwards here. Okay, chalo. Take a circle. You can take a bowl, or you can take base of your water bottle, or any cap, or this kind of bangle, anything you can take. Okay. Yes, I'm waiting. No need to rush. Okay. Get a bowl or anything from your kitchen and make this kind of circle. Okay. So hold it and draw a circle. Okay. And keep method in mind. Okay. Boys team and girls team, I will keep asking questions. What we did, how to do, everything I will keep asking. Okay. And normally younger ones, the junior kids, they think that we will be able to draw only mountains, only flowers. No, you can draw anything using letters and numbers. And why we use letters and numbers? Because you are well familiar with letters and numbers. Okay. So you will find this drawing like a puzzle game. We will assemble A, then C, then D, and your drawing will be ready. Okay. So chalo, without delay, we will start. After making this circle, take 2 points. 1, 2. Okay. 1 and 2 points. And now, okay, from here, 8 fingers. 8 fingers. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers you will take. Your fingers are small, it's okay. 8 finger distance you will take and draw a line. Okay, just below this. Step by step I will go. Just see the method carefully. Okay, and today you are not only learning Devi Durga, you are learning how to draw the drawing of a lady. Devi Durga is who? Women. Now, so you will learn how to draw the figure of a lady, women. Okay. I took 2 points. I'm repeating what I did. With the help of bangle, I draw a circle. After that, I took 1 and 2 points. Okay. And then 8 fingers almost. I draw a line. And now I'm going to draw this kind of slanting lines. Okay. Come on. Draw this kind of slanting lines. Yes, yes. Perfect. Okay. And this complete length is 8 fingers. Okay, 8 fingers. Don't make it too long because of this. And at the place of using scale, better you start measuring things using your fingers. Okay. I just want to check. Okay. The very first step, that whether it is going perfect or not. Please lift up your files and show me. All of you. And show this very basic beginning. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Very good. So what we did, we draw a circle using bangle or any object. And afterwards, I took 2 points, draw 2 diagonal lines. Okay. You can draw these lines with free hand or you can use a scale also. Now I want to show the neck. So I will be making U, letter U, U for umbrella. Okay. So how to draw? You can take 2 points in center and U. Okay, this is a shape of U. You click on active speaker view. Okay. The name is Ronak Jain. You click on active speaker view and you will be able to open camera. Okay. And say, don't make your circle too big, okay? As I don't know the name, but one message is I made my circle too big. We know that how much big circle we are supposed to make. So don't make it too big. Otherwise, the face will become very big, okay? So you're supposed to keep in mind that how much big circle. Slightly small or slightly big, it's okay. But very big will not work, okay? Now, I want to make a big floral string. Floral string. Floral string, it means फूलों की माला. Okay? फूलों की माला. So what I'm going to do, I will take one more point this side, one more point this side. Yes, the circle is okay. Now, you can draw 1, 1, 11 and give it a shape of big U. It is going to be a big floral string. We are going to make flowers all over. Okay? Flowers, big, big flowers all over. So draw a small U and then a big U. Ronik, you do one thing better. You call your anyone elder at home, okay? As you are not able to open your camera, so you call your mom or anyone else. So they will help you out in opening your camera. Otherwise, you will miss better. And if you will join late, you won't be able to get it, okay? So take care of this. And take help of any elder at home and ask them to open the camera. And yeah, part, this drawing is having a great story. But during drawing time, I never share the story, okay? I will share story next class while doing coloring. And this is the drawing of Devi Durga. So we are going to listen the story of Devi Durga connected to this drawing, okay? So now see, I draw a small U, then a big U, okay? Now let's complete face first, okay? Face. Now for making face, what I will be doing in center, I will take a point. Take a point. And I am going to write V, letter V, V for victory, okay? This way, V. You can make slightly curved or straight as you wish. Okay, V. Draw a V. Okay, now we are learning face of Devi Durga. And not only Devi Durga, you are learning how to draw the face of a woman. Okay. Yes, Ujjwal, I will draw it again. See, what we did here, we took help of Bengal and draw a circle. Okay. After that, on that circle, I took 2 points and then draw 2 diagonal lines. 2 diagonal lines. You can draw it freehand or with the help of scale. Okay, and from circle, I took 8 finger distance and draw a line. Okay. See the flowers we are going to draw with earbud. So we will just make circles and we will be making flowers with earbuds. Okay. So you will just leave this U like this only. Okay. Now in this circle, what I did, we are learning Devi Durga's drawing. Okay, Redmi? Take a point here and V. And where this V finish, write C for cat 2 times. C for cat. C for cat, ears. C 2 times. And I want to show very big round shaped earrings. Okay, Karnful. I will be making 2 big circles, big earrings in ears. Okay, equal. One big or one small, don't do that ways. Equal. Ears and then earrings. Okay, and complete jewelry we are going to decorate with earbuds next class. Okay, So next class, keep your earbud and watercolors with you because we are going to use them. Okay. So earbud, watercolors and cotton. This material you should keep every time in every drawing class because we keep using them. Okay. Now, show me first. Lift up your files and show how it's going on. Very good. Very good. Wonderful. You all are amazing, huh? Good. Now I will be making eyes. And for making eyes, draw 2 lines. Okay, 2 lines. You can make it slightly curved or straight. Okay, 2 lines. I will make it dark so that you can see it clearly. Okay, 2 lines. And I will be deciding that this much big eyes. Okay, so decide a point. Otherwise, when you make randomly, no, so one eye is small, one is big, then you erase, then again you erase, you know. So first decide that my eye will be this much big. So decide a point. And now, from this point to this point, you are going to write C for cat. So now see, this I is a D, capital D. D for determination. Okay. Same here. This way. Okay. D, capital D. Devi Durga's eyes. Okay. I used letter D for making eyes. And make sure both eyes should look equal, not one big, one small, no. And I'm going to write O. Okay, letter O. O for orange. O, which is connecting to the upper line. Big eyes with O. Okay, don't forget to show C for showing eyebrows. Pencil shading is also part of our syllabus, Khushi. Okay, so don't worry. Pencil shading, coffee painting, and impression art, doodle art, everything is there in our syllabus. Okay, and 2 very important poster makings are also there. Okay, so you will be enjoying everything. Everything is in our syllabus. So first we started with the drawing of festival, which we are having very close on 11, from 11, now Durga start. Okay, now I want to show tilak shape. So I will be making a small C shape in the center, C. Okay, C. And on C, I'm going to write V. How? This way, V. C and V. This kind of tilak shape we will be making for Devi Durga. Okay? C and then V. Okay? C and V. No, Viplav, this is not noodle art. It is doodle art. Doodle. Okay? D-O-O-D-L-E. The doodle art is a very beautiful freestyle artwork. And you will get it very soon when we will be doing. Okay? When we will learn, that time I will explain it very nicely. So you will get it when we will be doing that. Okay, I want to show the jewelry. So here I want to show a circle. Okay. This is a jewelry. It is called Mang Tika. And I'm not making any design in jewelry because all designs of jewelry we are going to do with earbud. See, plastic crayons. Okay. And little cotton, earbuds, black sketch pen. This is the material required, and watercolors. Okay, and watercolors. This is the material we need every drawing class. So please keep this material ready every drawing class. We keep shifting to. Okay, now in between of these two eyes, I will be writing a small C. Small C to show nose. Okay. And yes. After making small, I want to show smile. I will be making a line, straight line, slightly curved you can draw. Very gentle, kind smile. So I will be making this line which is almost straight and a line. Okay. This kind of smile of Devi Durga. Okay, I'm repeating. I draw two lines, then write C, so it is looking like D. O for showing eyeballs, C for eyebrows. For bindi, this is C, then V. Again O to make this Mang Tika. We will color it next class, okay? In every artwork we draw in one period and we color it in second period, okay? So see, and now here, I want to show that crown. Cut this circle this ways. Okay, and erase the upper lines. Erase this upper circle, okay? Okay. And now just on this circle, okay, I just want to check it first. Please lift up your work and show. All of you, I just want to check face. Oh my God. This is really wonderful. Very nice. Going perfect. Very beautifully implemented. Really happy with work. Very good. Okay. Now here, I will be making a C. Big C. Okay. Because now I'm making the crown. Very simple crown. And even in crown, the detailing we will be doing directly with earbud. Okay. Yeah, I have seen everyone's drawing, Dipti. Okay. Now, after doing this C, you will write V. As we made this na bindi, same ways, we will be making this middle portion, V. Okay. You can give it a round shape also. And circle and a small circle. Okay. Come on. Simple crown. We are not going to make it very complicated. Simple. And this ways, you just finish the crown. Zonathan, you can send your artwork. See, this is my Instagram ID, artgeo_classes. Okay. So after making this drawing, you can take a click and send here. Okay. On this here, I will check your work and send my feedback. Okay. So after drawing and after coloring, you can send your artwork on my Instagram. Now see, after this, you can make a small nut. Okay, just around this kind of C, small nut of Devi Durga and a bead, small bead. Okay, Devi Durga wear this nut. Okay, yes. A small C, this is nose ring. Okay, in English we call it nose ring and in Hindi we call it nut. Okay, yes. So now see, using letters and numbers, face is ready. Okay. Now I want to show that my Devi Durga is holding a Trishul and killing the greatest devil of today's time. Any guesses? Who is the devil who is troubling us since last 1 year? Anyone? Any guesses? Yes, correct answer. Corona. So here we are going to show that Devi Durga is killing that corona with Trishul. Okay. So when we pray, as Navratri is coming, we will pray wholeheartedly with complete trust. So Devi Durga will, God's blessing and protective forces will definitely support us. Okay. Now what you do, students, take 1 point here. Take 1 point here. And take 1 point. This corner I have now near this here. Come on. Yes, I will repeat crown what I did. I draw a line. This is C. Then this is V, O. Okay? O to decorate. This is Mang Tika. We will make it. Now I took 2 points. One where this hairline is getting finished. Okay? And second, I took here. And now with the help of scale, I will join. This is Trishul. This is going to be big Trishul. So I will be making a line joining these 2 points. Come on. Okay. I will be making it double. I will make it double. Okay. I want to show that this Trishul. So with help of scale, you can draw this. Okay. Till here. Till this line. Okay. Yeah. 1 point you take here, 1 point you take here. Okay. And with help of scale, this is a big 11. 1, 1, 11. Don't forget to erase all the lines of body from the lines of Trishul. All the lines which are coming of Devi Durga's body will erase from the lines of Trishul. See. Okay. So this ways, and I erased all the lines. See, all the lines which are coming in the stick, I erase and make the stick clean. Okay. And here I will be taking a point. Here I will take a point. I will take 1 more point here. Equal distance. And 1 more point here. I want to make a big, powerful Trishul. Okay, big, powerful Trishul. And you know what? Who gifted this Trishul to Devi Durga? Do you know this? Lord Shiva. Okay. When no one was able to face very powerful Mahishasur. So, with the power of all gods, Devi Durga's birth took place. Okay. And all weapons of all gods, Devi Durga is having. So what I did, I took a point in center, 1 here, 1 here, and now I'm going to write number 3. 3. Write 3. Come on. Okay. Let's complete Devi Durga's Trishul. That very powerful Trishul. Okay. This is 3. And now this center point I have now, I will write V. V. Write V. Okay, this is V. And I'm going to write 1 more V, but this V is going to be very long and very pointed. Okay, because this is actually that part which is going to kill the devil of today's time. Okay, so this is a V and again a V, very pointed, very sharp. Okay. Yes. And let's complete this Trishul also. From this point, I will be writing 6. Number 6. Okay? 6. Same here, 6.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
What is the difference between normal crayons and plastic crayons?
See, normal crayons, if actually normal crayons are categorized in 2 categories. One is wax crayons and plastic crayons. Okay, so wax crayons have more amount of wax in it. The content of wax is larger in wax crayons. So what happened while coloring, the output is not very even. But in plastic crayons, the content of wax is balanced. Okay, very much balanced. So because of this, the output of these colors, it is very even, and even we can erase. So I always prefer this. So wax crayons are categorized in 2 categories. Normal crayons are categorized in 2 categories. More wax, then that will be wax crayons, and plastic crayon, it means we have balanced amount of wax in it. Okay, wax is in both the crayons, but here it is in balanced quantity, and in wax crayon the quantity is high. This is the difference. Okay, now see, after this I will join this with you. Okay, and now the time for, okay, now see this Devi Durga's Trishul is done. See, if you today, we are not going to color it today. Okay, we will be coloring it next class. So see, if you don't have plastic crayon, you can arrange and manage to get it, because we are going to use this for long and the quality is best. The output of coloring with wax crayon is not that neat and tidy. Okay, and secondly, if you are not able to manage with that, so next class you can continue with wax crayons, those who don't have. But I will suggest that please manage to get it. Okay. So now see, this Trishul is ready. Now let's complete hands. I will take 1 point here, 1 point here. And I will be taking 1 point here, 1 point here. Okay. 1 point here, 1 point here. And suppose this is a Trishul. Suppose this scale is a Trishul. And Devi Durga is folding. How? This ways. Okay, I will be showing this ways, holding this ways. So we are going to show this position of hands. Okay. So take 2 points here, 2 points here, and oil pastel is a very mature color medium, and I don't suggest junior batch to use oil pastels. Okay, oil pastels contain lots of oil. Okay, they are very oily. So when you are promoted to senior batch, then you learn how to use oil pastel. Okay, those are not for your category. Okay, now see, from here you will be making a line. Hold from this top point. See, come close to Trishul. See, this is Trishul and this line is very close. From this top line to C, and same from this point, one more C, I want to show holding, close and near. Come close to Trishul. Can you hear my voice properly? Am I clearly audible? Okay, fine. So see, those who are not able to listen me clearly, please check your internet, because rest all can hear me properly. Okay, Ritanya, you please check. Okay. Now, I draw C here and C here. This upwards and downwards, holding. After this, you please check your internet, beta, because rest all can hear me. I think you have some internet problem, and because of this, my voice is cracking for you. Okay, now what I'm going to do, this last point I have, I will take a point near, above, upper side. Same, this is the point, I will take a point on upper side. Okay, 1 point here. Now I will connect this point with my second point, this and this. Okay, this and this. Okay. So I will be making a hand this way. Connect. And same I'm going to do with the second line. I will connect and draw this way. Okay. So see, the line is quite close to Trishul. Okay. Now do one thing, take eraser and erase all the lines from hands. All the lines from hands. Okay, here also. And erase all the lines from the stick of Trishul. The lines of hands are coming here in Trishul. Now erase them. Erase it. All lines you will erase. Okay, I will go little slow. Okay, and besides this, we have one more batch, that is pre-junior. So accordingly, according to the age, we can shift to that. Okay, now see, I just want to check the work. Please lift up your work and show. All of you. And show your thumbs up also, those who have done. And show me thumbs down, those who want me to wait. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Wonderful. Shabash. Okay. And besides this, you are going to get complete recording of this class. Okay. Complete recording of every class we provide. So please go through it. It will give you very good revision. Now, after this, I want to show hands. Okay. So for showing hands, you will connect. C for cat. This ways you will connect. Draw line on and same here. Okay, same here. Holding. You know, we want to show Devi Durga is holding this Trishul. Okay. Yes, yes. I'm waiting. Okay. As few students are showing thumbs down, I'm waiting. Okay. What I did after making hands, I just connect this ways. Okay, to Trishul. Okay, I will give more close-up view. It will help you out. Okay, this little more close-up view. Pawan, we can't move fast because there are many younger ones. You know, they are little slow. So I always try to maintain my minimum average speed so that everyone can do. Okay. So I keep my speed also that way is very minimum. Okay. Now after this point and this point. Okay. This point and this point of hand, you will be writing you C for cat 4 times, very small. Okay, not big. Ishwin, we can't do fast, beta, because there are many who are very young. Okay, so we are supposed to maintain one average speed, okay, for which is manageable for everyone. These are again 2 points, C for cat, C, this way. And you are going to erase the lines of Trishul from hands because she is holding Trishul tight. Okay. When no god was able to face the very powerful devil Mahishasur, so all god decided that they will collect their energy. Okay, and when their energy got collected, Devi Durga's birth took place. Okay. So that time Devi Durga killed Mahishasur and promised that again, whenever you will face any devil or any trouble will disturb you, you just remember me wholeheartedly, keeping complete trust in me. Pray for me, and I will come and help you and give my blessings. Okay? So let's, while making this drawing, take blessings and pray wholeheartedly. Devi Durga, come and solve this problem of corona. Okay? Vishwajit, we are not going to color it today. Okay? Next class. And next class is on Monday. So by that time, you can manage to get it. Okay, now after this, 1, 1, 1, 1 for showing bangles. 1, 1, 1 for showing bangles. Can you see my picture clearly? Show your thumbs up. Can you see this video clearly? Okay. So see, Supriya, if you're not able to see this, you please check your internet. You must be having some problem, I think, because rest all can see my picture properly. Okay. And don't forget to show this line to show blouse of the dress. Okay. And yeah, please lift up your work and show. I want to check it once again. All of you, you know what? You all have done amazing work. Amazing. And Ishanvi is showing holy drawing. Very well done, huh? Ishanvi, good. You can send it on Instagram also, okay? You all can send your work on Instagram ID so that I can check your work, giving complete time and send my suggestions. Okay, and this is the way we get connected. We keep ourselves connected with students for doing correction and all. And I'm very happy to see that you all are getting it so nicely and doing it so beautifully. Yes, very good, Arna. The save water drawing is looking great. Okay, now let's come back to work. Okay, big Trishul is ready. Devi Durga is holding. Okay. Yeah, very well done. I've checked everyone's work and this is really, yeah, ID is, my Instagram ID is RGO_123. See, this is my Instagram ID. You can note it down. Every time, whenever you finish your work, you can send a click over here and I will send my feedback. Okay. And suggestions also. You can install Shisha if you don't have. Okay, after this, I want to make, see, Devi Durga is having thousands of hands with thousands of weapons. Okay, she's very strong. But here we are going to show 2 more hands. Okay, 2 more hands. So see, 1 point here and 1 point on arm. Come on, do. 1 point here and 1 point on arm. I'm going to show 2 more hands with 2 more weapons. Okay. So one more very powerful weapon of Devi Durga is Chakra. Chakra. Any guesses? Who gifted Chakra to Devi Durga? Huh? Chakra. Sudarshan Chakra. Come on, tell me. Yes, correct answer. You know about all this. Vishnu. Lord Vishnu gifted. Take this Chakra. Okay. So here in this hand, I will take 2 points. Okay. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. And I want to show the hands. Okay, 2 hands. If you want to make many, you can make more. I'm going to make only 4 hands. Hands going upwards. Lord Vishnu. Yes, correct answer, Lord Vishnu. You all are very smart, huh? Here also, you will be showing this way is a C shape. C going upwards. Okay. So this way it is going up and this is the last point. Okay, last point. And don't forget to take a point close. If you remember, same we did here. And now, but when we made first line, then we took a point close. So same you are going to do every figure. The name of the baby is not yet decided. I don't know your name, but okay, now the second point and this, you will connect, okay? Connect it. Same here, connect. And you can show a rose or a gada, and a lot. Yes, you can go, Sainika. For in online classes, no need to take my permission to go to washroom, okay? You can go directly. Okay, now here I want to show chakra. So I will be showing a circle, okay? And a small point inside and V. Okay, V, chakra. Okay, I will keep asking questions. First, let's complete our work. Okay. So here she is holding this chakra. And don't forget to make this line and bangles. 1, 1, 1. Okay. She is holding this chakra. And in second hand, I will be showing arrow. Okay, but no weapon, arrow. Or lotus also we can make, or any other thing. But I will love to show weapons, because for killing corona, Devi Durga is completely empowered and ready so that she can solve our greatest problem of corona. Okay? Yes. Okay, take your own time. Please lift up your work and show. All of you. This is so nicely made. So nicely made. All of you lift up. Many of you are not showing me your work. Very good. And see, I can observe in few drawings. See, students, the hand. Hand is always thick here. Okay, and gradually it goes thin. Don't make it thin here and thick outside. Okay, make sure your hand will not be thin here. Okay, now in other hand, C for cat, right? C. Okay, and now see, with the help of this drawing, I want to shift. I want to bring this thing in your observation that using letters and numbers, you can draw anything, not only flowers and landscape. No, anything can be drawn. See this drawing of Devi Durga you are learning using letters and numbers. Okay. Now you can make sword also. Okay. I'm going to show arrow because it will be little easy for kids. Okay. And see 4 times. Okay. I'm going to show fingers to grip 4 times. And don't make a small. Okay. I will be making it big. So I will make this kind of big line. You can make a gada also, anything of your choice. Okay. What I did after making this hand, I draw C and then U 4 times. And then I draw a 1. Okay, 1. This is a complete 1. If you're writing it complete 1, so erase the lines from hands. Okay, 1 point here, 1 point here, and right. Center point, right. 3. Okay. You can make any other weapon. Okay, Mishti? If you want to make lotus, if you want to make a fire burning in hand, so many things and thousands of hands. Lord Durga, Devi Durga is holding so many things. Okay. And see here, the sleeping liner writes 6. 6. Okay. And this way is this. Anyone can tell me the name of this? What is the name of this weapon? Yes, come on, quick. Answer. Correct. Okay, and who? Who hold this? Which, tell the name, name the god who is famous for Dhanush and Rama. Rama and Arjun, yes, and Eklavya. Eklavya is not God, but yes, the story of Eklavya is really, really inspiring. We will learn it sometimes, okay? Now, one for showing bangles, and this is the line to show blouse. Okay, so now see my Devi Durga with 4 hands ready. If you want to make more, you can make more. Use this ways. We will be learning only 4. Okay. Now I want to show that Devi Durga is standing in clouds and with big Trishul and power killing Corona on earth. Okay. Holding Trishul with a pleasant smile. Okay. Like mother, and protecting us. So erase this line now. Erase this line because I want to show clouds. Okay, clouds. So I will be showing clouds. For showing clouds, a big C, small. Okay, show this face clouds. Here also. Standing in clouds. Okay. And show clouds. I want to check it first. Please lift up your work and show. All of you. Shabash. We use letter C for Murki showing clouds. And we want to show Devi Durga is standing in clouds and protecting us from them. Very beautiful. Lovely. Excellent work. Shabash. Okay. Now, show me thumbs up and show me thumbs down if you want me to wait for you. Thumbs up with what? Thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Can I see the smile? Great Wali. Yes. Okay. Because when you will be doing work with smile, the same thing, the same happiness, you are learning a great drawing of Devi Durga. Hai na? So you should have that joy, that gratitude, that love in your heart. Okay? Very good. And you know what? You all look amazing when you smile. Now I want to show Corona. Okay, I will be showing a circle. As I don't have place to draw a complete circle, koi baat nahi. I will be making, see this Trishul has gone in the body of Corona. So I will be making this ways. If you have limited space, you can just show the C shape. Okay, circle. And now we are going to show that Corona, who is now, and hair, long hair is also left. Okay, after making Corona, we will be making long hair of Devi Durga. This is also left. Okay. Now for Corona, lines, 2 lines. Okay, this is a C. And no need to use any object, just draw it randomly without using any object. These are 2 lines, C, C. Okay. And Corona, who was troubling everyone, now Corona himself itself is in trouble. C for cat, about to die. Okay. Slanting lines. S to show nose. And a sad face, about to die. Okay. Randomly, you will be making some big, some small lines. We all know this kind of spikes Corona is having on the body. Okay. and circles. Okay. So while making this drawing, let's dedicate this drawing to Devi Durga, and pray wholeheartedly. You know what happens when we pray wholeheartedly? When we keep complete trust in protective forces, and pray wholeheartedly. Prayer, it doesn't mean that now after praying you will become careless. No. Precautions you're supposed to take, wearing mask and social distancing, and eating healthy food. If you will not do this, then God will also not protect you. You are supposed to ask for protection along with the wisdom of yours also. Okay. So now see, this corona is almost about to get finished. Divit, don't worry. You will be very soon. You will be fine. You will get well soon, very soon. Okay, now let's make long hair. Okay, for making long hair, you can take a point on ears and start making long hair of Devi Durga. Okay, long hair from ear, slanting curved line and long hair. Okay. And don't forget to erase the lines of hair from hands. Okay. Lines of hair, erase from hands. So, on the very special day when we will be celebrating Navratri, Devi Durga's days, our drawing of Devi Durga will get ready. Okay. And here we are going to show big, big flowers. Okay. And these big flowers we will be making with earbuds. Okay. So I'm not making design in it. The middle flower will be bigger one. Okay. Just make big flowers. And if you want to make more jewelry, you can make more. Okay. Like necklace. You can make necklace. This all we are going to make with earbud. Okay. And this will be floral. These are going to be flowers. Okay. Just draw circles. Okay. Don't make petals of flowers because we are going to give it shape using earbud. So students, don't forget, next class, keep your earbuds ready, watercolors ready, cotton also. Okay, cotton we will see if required, we will use. Otherwise, cotton and plastic crayons. Okay, so this is the material you are supposed to keep ready. Next class. Okay, and I want to check the work. Please lift up your work. Okay, and you all will be getting. We give recording to every student, every class. Okay, whether you are present, absent. So that's, and the recording remain with students for lifelong. Okay, so you can just see and see earbud. You can, our next class is on Monday. So by that time you can arrange, otherwise you can make earbud with hand also. Put some cotton on the tip of a matchstick and just fix it. Okay, take help of your mom. She will make handmade earbuds for you. Lift up your files and show. All of you. All of you lift up your files. Very good. So nice. Wonderful. Wonderful work. Okay. So these circles are going to be big, big flowers. We are going to make it big flowers with earbuds. Beautiful work. Lovely. Yes, yes. Bhambre, I'm coming to you too. I will check everyone's work and very beautifully implemented. Okay. Very beautifully implemented. Now, what is your homework? Your homework is this black sketch pen. Okay. First, we draw with pencil. This is first step. Now, second step, we give outlines. with sketch pen. Okay. So with help of sketch pen, you will move everywhere. Okay. If you feel that I don't want to start with face, so start with hands first. And when your hand gets set, then you come on face. Okay. So see, this ways, clouds and everything. You will be moving your sketch pen in whole drawing. Okay. And moving sketch pen in whole drawing is the second step of our drawing and coloring. And only black. Okay. Not colorful, only black. Okay. So this is your homework, and before winding up, I want to check the work again. So, shabash. Okay, so this is your homework. You will be doing it at home. And if you enjoyed, very well done. If you enjoyed today's work, you can show a great thumbs up with Badi Wali smile. Let me see how many of you enjoyed the work. Yes, a great smile. Yes, see, smile should not be very much balanced. It should be very big and bright. Okay, thank you so much. You all enjoyed. And next class, be ready with your plastic crayon, watercolors and material. We will be learning coronavirus. I will be showing it again. What I did, I draw a circle. Okay, I draw D, capital D to show eyes. Then C to show eyeballs. 2 slanting lines. S. Okay. And C for showing smile. It's not smile, it is a sad face. Okay. Virika, I've checked yours also. And see, these are lines, some big, some small, and circles to show corona. Okay. So this black sketch pen outline in this complete artwork is your homework. And today you learn a festival-oriented drawing, and that is Navratri. Okay, Navdurga drawing. So this is a festival drawing. This is a drawing of goddess, and we connect it to Corona also. Okay. So with lots of blessings, I will wind up class. Time is up now. Okay. So we will meet next class. Be ready with watercolors and plastic crayons both. And with blessings, I will wind up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.